What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back and still in the great outdoors, trying to just get some fresh air and give you guys a different viewpoint other than my room. But today I'm back with a great keyboard alternative for your iPad Pro 12.9. This is from the company Plugable, and this is a full-size Bluetooth keyboard that I think you're going to enjoy. So, got it right here. Let's check it out. So when you actually get your keyboard, this is what it is going to look like. It's going to actually come in a leather casing, just like this one. You undo this casing to show your actual keyboard. Now, once you actually do that, fold this casing down, just like that. And now you got a nice leather stand. Advantage number one, right there. So I actually have this in a stand, or in a case that has a stand. I'm going to take it out. Now that I actually have it out of that case, this is my new stand. So got a built-in stand. That's check number one. Big thumbs up. Then you actually move to the keyboard itself. Now, keyboard just basically unfolds, unhinges. Nice aluminum construct. I already have it connected. I'm going to go home. You get a full QWERTY keyboard. You have tons of shortcuts across the top. You get nice scissor keys, so you know exactly what you pressed when you press it. These keys have nice pushback, and you actually can feel when they're coming back up. As you can see right here, this thing is going to work with Android, Windows, as well as iOS. It has Bluetooth connectivity, and it does not matter what device you have. So don't say it won't work with my laptop, it won't work with my tablet, it won't work with my phone. It's going to work with all those. Anything that has Bluetooth, this thing is going to connect to it. Now, this device has been out for a little while, so I'm not sure if it's Bluetooth 2.0, Bluetooth 3.0. I will tell you that it does still sport the micro USB. So that's like a big down for me, because I like USB Type-C right about now. But I can still use the micro USB. It actually comes with a micro USB cable. But I digress from that point. I would love to see USB Type-C on this device though. Just because all my other cables are USB Type-C and all my other devices are now USB Type-C. But getting away from that point, still a very solid keyboard. You get about 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 rows on here. Full layout. Like I said, I have decent sized hands, so it fits really well. So the typing experience on here is one that's pretty decent. I have had no issues with running out of space, and you know I'm not a typer, but everything feels in place as I hold my fingers here. I don't have to bunch them up, or they're not cramped. Everything is wide open. So big shout out to Plugable for getting us a keyboard that actually feels that way. Now, the thing about this is it is going to actually connect every time you unfold it. So like I said, I have it connected right here. I'm going to fold it up. It will disconnect. Just give it a moment. There we go. I got my keyboard back. Now, what I'm going to do is unfold it. Just let it go for a moment, and there we go. Automatically connects. So as soon as you open this thing up, you're going to get that keyboard, and you're going to get those effects, and you'll be able to use this keyboard at your leisure whenever you get ready. Shortcuts will work. What I'm going to do now is turn the volume up. If you see it going up on the screen, turn the volume down. You have your music right here. You can control those. You get your search button, and you get your home button right there. All of our shortcuts are on point. You can even lock the screen from right here, home, and there we go. Now, I know everyone is not going to run out and buy a Magic keyboard, because those things are going to be upwards of almost $400. I think they're going to be $300 and then $349 for the big one. So you're going to pay anywhere from $300 to $400 for a Magic keyboard. With that being said, everybody's not going to go out and get that. So you want something that's going to be nice, neat, and very inexpensive. And this thing fits the bill. It's very clean. It folds up, very small. You could even, I mean, if you really wanted to put this in your pocket, you could throw it down in your pocket. But it's going to fit in just about any bag, any space. Take this, sit your iPad down. Your stand goes and changes right there before your eyes. Get that in there. And then you got it. Your stand, your keyboard, all in one place. All you need now is a mouse. And I got tons of those videos. So I recommend Microsoft Surface Arc Mouse. Very slim, very thin. It's going to get you everything that you need and then some. But very minimalistic setup. This thing's going to run you about $54. I'm going to drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. And please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.